Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to create a high-resolution print-ready PDF with crop marks. I'm using Adobe Illustrator as that is my software of choice. I'm very familiar with it and it's quite easy, and a lot of people do have it if you're a designer. The end result is going to look like this on the screen, and as you can see, if I zoom in, my images are all and my text are all high resolution. When you are designing, make sure your artwork is at least 2000 pixels and high resolution. If it's a low resolution image, even though it might look good on the program, when you actually come to print it out, it will be very, very pixelated, and you will actually see that when you zoom into the PDF. Now, as you can see here, again, I have transferred my images from a PNG to a vector artwork, and no matter how large I scale this PDF and how large it will be printed, it will not lose its quality. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is open up Illustrator and go into a new document. The standard size for an invitation is 5 by 7 inches, so I've gone ahead and entered that in previously, and also I'm going to add a bleed of 0.1181. Then I'm going to click Create. I've gone ahead and created my invitation, and all I need to do now is save it. So I come up to File, Save As, name the file, and come down to Format, the drop down box, and choose Adobe PDF. I then click Save, and in this section I'm going to go to Adobe PDF Preset and go to High Quality Print. I'm going to uncheck Optimize for Fast Web View. I'm going to go over to Compression, and that's fine. Marks and bleeds. I'm going to check Trim Marks and also use Document Bleed Settings. Go down to Output. Under Color Conversion, I'm going to put that to Convert to Destination, Preserve Numbers. And then you've got Advanced, Security, and Summary. Now with the security feature here, I'll actually show you how to do that in another video, and I'll also leave a link to that video in the description. The security section is very helpful if you are a creator and you're designing artwork for a client and you want them to have restrictions, so they can't open a PDF in other applications or anything like that. You just want them to print. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. It's very handy. Come down to summary and everything's okay, and then all we need to do now is save PDF. So as you can see, everything looks great and ready for printing. You can print it on your home printer, or you can take it to a print shop and get them to professionally print it. All the artwork is high resolution and the crop marks are also in place. I hope this video has helped you out knowing a little bit more about printing and professional techniques that we use. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again in the next video.